Anyways, we are getting ready to go to the beach. Eh? Where are you? Where you covered?
I'm here.
Anyways, we're going to... Where are we going?
Beach.
Which beach?
Goat Sabang Beach.
Bogos Park.
Sorry.
Need to go. So yeah, it's getting ready. Why you look so depressed?
No, it's not a pig. It's a swan.
Stop.
What?
Pa, tonggo, pisang goreng, takoyaki, Milo. Look at my bubbles. I bought bubbles. Look at how pretty the beach is. And the beaches. We are done with the beach finally because it is reaching night. How was today?
Stress.
How was today?
To be honest,
Going home. How was your day today?
So tough.
How was your day today? How was your day today?
still very sandy.
How about you, Jaden, driver? How was your day today?
It was good.
I cannot see anything. What's happening next week? We're moving out! We're moving out! Out of the house that we've lived in for how long already? Mats, come on, Mats. Your brain is buffering, is it? I'm moving country. Country, my estate lagi. After this, you cannot go out at 2 a.m. already.
I never go out at 2 a.m.
Auntie, she go out at 2 a.m.
I never go out at 2 a.m.
Would you wear this? For me?
Right now?
Yes. I'll wear it also. Ash, will you wear a mustache with me?
No.
Do I look good with a mustache?
Let me see.
Dude, you look so good with a mustache.
Thanks.
Do I
I
look...
my dad.
Sabarudin. Hazley. Would you like rogue, scoundrel or smarty? Gigantic. Do you kill people with that? These 3 years I've definitely accumulated so many clothes. I still have to clear out the closet. And this is what we have so far. As you can see, it still haven't completely cleared, but we're getting there. It's day 2 of preparing to move out and I have just cleared my closet. I've only been here for like a year and a half and I didn't expect to accumulate this mountain of clothes. So I'm gonna sort out which ones I don't want anymore and which ones that I want to keep. This is gonna be long and very tiring. It's our second last day of being in this house and this is the state of my room currently. Still quite a bit to do, so I think we'll be up quite late. Just finished packing up. This is the state of the house. Some things drying there. Clothes. Soya stuff. Soya stuff. Tonight is our last night.
Can we not move out?
We can't. You have to go back. I have to go back also.
Can we like... What if we copy the key?
And then just break in? What if someone else lives here?
We'll tell them. But this is actually our house. We got scammed. A bitch is not Audrey, but May. Okay, anyway. She's playing guitar. I've been playing on a lot of hypotheticals in my mind.
Sorry, I wasn't looking at the lyrics.
I'm not mad, I'm so happy.
What the fuck is that?
I've been
Playing out a lot of hypotheticals in my mind. I've been writing your name down next to mine. Been imagining all the things you and I could do. Ooh, I've seen all the possibilities in my dreams. You're alone when you should really be next to me. Baby, let's not wait and see. Immediate action isn't necessary. It's a fatal attraction, it's all you're scared. I got a plan to attack, and now I'll get it there someday soon. I know it. I got a plan A and I got a plan B. And if it's absolutely necessary, we'll go to plan C. Whatever I gotta do to be with you. Okay, let's see. Yes!